Alright. Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Frontier Michigan. And today, I'm kind of flying a little solo here on an unboxing video. Jen's back home taking care of some business for us. So, got a new product. It's a little bit of a lighting project. Something that I've been wanting to get for a little while now because I'm tired of nearly getting right into in the back. Don't think it'll help a lot, but if I can get something back there that'll help draw attention to the truck and the fact that I'm on the brakes, might reduce some of that, you know? So, let's walk over here to the truck. I got my box, got my scissors. We'll get into it and I'll show you what I got. We're going to take our scissors here and get this open. Trying doing this one hand a little bit, so gotta bear with me if it's kind of ugly or a little clunky. Alright, so boxes are open. Let's go through what we got. Set the scissors aside. So, packaging, don't need that. Don't need the invoice. They gave me, so let me first explain what this is. This is the Diode Dynamics hitch mount. I have just to verify the box here. This is the C1R. So it also includes a fourth brake light that strobes, so it's not just reverse. And this is the updated version of this kit, which is brighter. And this one also includes a larger bezel for the light, so that you can mount it in a 2.5-inch receiver. Country has 2. And they sent me some, looks like some trim tools. Cool. I needed some new ones anyway. Thanks, Diode Dynamics. They sent this as part of a, like, free ambassador package or whatever. No, I'm not a brand ambassador, but they threw it in anyway, so cool. I needed some new trim tools. Mine are, my old corn wheels were kind of getting a bit crusty and cracked in places. But this is the hitch mount. We're gonna get into this box now and go from there. Surprised I didn't get a decal, so. Box is cut open. Oh, there's decals. They put the decals in the box. Set them inside there. I don't need that. So that's the light itself. That's the light itself. It's a basically a, what is it? SSC1 pod, but this one does white, red, and it strobes. It's got the clips to engage with your receiver. This is the larger bezel for, a 2.5-inch receiver. The Frontier only has a 2, but it is what it is. And of course the harness, which is all purely plug and play. So I'll have an install video for this here soon as well. This won't take long to do. So that's what's in the box. Diode Dynamics once again. As you know, I got the Diode Dynamics fog lights. And I do plan on getting the Diode Dynamics SS30 light bar when I eventually do the front bumper. So yeah, it is what it is. We'll get it installed. I'll have a video up for that. This has been a Frontier, Michigan video, an unboxing video from the tailgate, not the table. It's a nice 70-degree day, good breeze, partly cloudy. I'm gonna enjoy it. You guys should get out and enjoy it too. Go explore the world and just have fun. Just be safe doing so, and I'll see you next time. Alright everybody, welcome back to Frontier, Michigan. We were doing the install portion of the video, and if your receiver is anything like mine and closed off with this little hole in the back, you're gonna have to widen this hole for the connector to fit. So I gotta wallow this out. I got a 1/2 inch bit drill, and we're gonna do it. Alright, so let's see if we got that wallered out enough. Not sure if we did, but we'll see. My box. Grab my box. Because this is the connector that's got to fit. I don't think I got it big enough. Nope. Not quite. And Diode Dynamics does not give you a way to unplug this and feed it through. So we gotta go wider. Which means I also have to drop the spare, so I get a better angle on it. Alright. Brief pause. Well, for you it'd be a brief pause. Ooh. Most. Give me one of those ends. Okay. Once you push the your connectors to the back of your hitch, you gotta come up here and unclip this one. The unclip factory tow harness should let's see, pop right out. Get that connector right there. Your new one from Diode Dynamics. Grab it like so. Plug the new one on there. Take your factory one and you plug it into your Diode Dynamics adapter. Like so. Just like that. So it bridges the gap of your towing harness, gives you an extra light. I'm gonna reclip this back up where it right went. Push it there. Is that not the hole? You don't want to go up there, but that's all right. It comes with zip ties. So once that's all up in there, you know, you got your harness pushed in through. Your adapter plugged into your factory harness here, plugged into your connector here. Grab your zip ties that come with the kit. Only a couple of them, so be mindful of that. So everything is zip tied up out of the way. And we're going to get out from underneath the truck and plug in the light. Alright, so now that we're on the outside, just like that. Plug her in, and this simply just slides into the back of the hitch, like so.